By now someone may have been screaming at me in the comment section saying that whey bread isn't supposed to be fluffy. When they first got it, Gimli mistook it for a Daleman's cram, which is pretty much hard tack, which is just a baked slab of damp flour. It's not fluffy, it doesn't rise, it shouldn't have yeast in it, it shouldn't be a loaf, it should be wafers. Well, here we have 500 grams of strong white flour, 300 millilitres of cream, 3 teaspoons of thyme and 3 tablespoons of honey. Forming a dough, which as you can see isn't fluffing up at all yet. This dough is actually so stiff that when I tried to knead it as a single ball, the work surface was making some really alarming creaking sounds. So I had to cut it into little pieces. Instead of cutting it into 16, I'm cutting it into 32. I'm halving each of these 16ths to make little wafers, which should bake extremely fast because they are very thin. And we shall see how that goes.